What's going on YouTube? Jerry's All American Carpet Cleaner here with another video for your viewing pleasure. And today we actually got a call from a client that has about 3 rugs that needed to be cleaned. She said that she bought them about 5 or 6 years ago. They've never had any type of cleaning done to them. And she also has pets. So we've got some severe staining on a few of them. The before and afters on these came out really good. And we think you're going to enjoy the process as well. So as usual, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Jerry's All American Carpet Cleaning. Carpet, tile, upholstery, area rugs, and also granite countertop. We take care of it for you.